Huzzah! So it holds the weight of the lawnmower. Huzzah! So it holds the weight of the lawnmower. Yep. And I'm able to go across the ditch now with no issue. So now I gotta, the reason I got to clean up this whole half of the location so that I could install the RV park. I got to clean it up. I got to plan it, all that stuff. I got to figure out what's what, where's where, and all that kind of stuff. So now that I've built this bridge, I'm going to be using it to go back and forth so that I can mow it and make sure the property is taken care of.